Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. We are going to be getting into my limited edition fall preview Wantable today. This is a style edit. I can't wait. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks like to hang out with me. White is the white puppy dog running around the deck here. Zena's the tan if she happens to stop by. Wyatt's the kitty. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Did I say Wyatt's the kitty? Harvey's the kitty? It's early morning. All right, let's dig into my Wantable. Wantable is a styling service. They have 3 different types of edits you can choose from. They have a active edit, which is your athleisure and activewear, workout wear. They have a sleep and body, which is all about your undies, bras, jammies, sleep leisure. And then they have the style edit, which is everything else. So every day, work, vacation, weekend. And they do limited edition boxes, which I absolutely love. You can pick off any one of them anytime, and it helps you if you're not sure what type of items to ask for. So this one was all around fall preview, getting ready for the fall transition, and there's a $20 styling fee. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. This is what I see when I open my box. Love my personalized sticker, and there is instructions on the flaps that tell you what to do once you get your box. They do have a stream on their site that allows you to go through and request or decline items. If you request them, they go on your wish list, and you have a good chance of getting them if your size is available. If you decline them, it helps your stylist start to know your style, right? So my box has been getting better and better and better. Right on top is a pamphlet, tells me what my edit is all about. There's notes from my stylist, my pricing sheet in here. I get a bag to return anything I don't love and don't want to keep. And right on top, I see a request item. Let me see how many of my items are requests. 4. 4 out of the 7 are requested items. Yes. My stylist is Jordan. She's amazing. She said it was a pleasure to style you. I'm so excited for fall, and I want you to be too. Fall is the perfect season for all the fresh outfit possibilities. So I pulled 7 items you'll love to mix and match and layer, from iconic fall staples to the fashion-forward pieces defining the season. And she said I was thrilled to include 4 of your stream requests. Let's do this. All right. First up, this is from RD Style. This was a request. How cute is this cardi? Love the purples in here. And a little bit, there's like a little bit of green in there, a little bit of tan. This will go with so much. Super soft. It's by RD Style. That is adorable. Next up. And they're really good about, if I tell them, like, these are the brands that I like, these are the ones I don't, they're pretty good at trying to stick to sending me the brands that I enjoy. And this is one of them, which is the Supply. This is the CABI Flutter Tee. This was not on my list. I did actually see it in the stream. That's cute. Little flutter sleeve there in white. Okay, next up. What is this? This is by Dear John. I do like Dear John. And it is the Giovanna lightweight sweater in ivory. Oh, that's pretty. Check out that diagonal stitching. It's lightweight, but substantial, so this would be a nice layering piece. This is another wish list item. If any of you have been watching my channel, you know that I absolutely love the all-day Z Supply jacket. When I saw this one, I thought it was so adorable with the color blocking. Check that out. I love the all-day jacket. I love wearing it for all things comfy, cozy, and warm. It is so adorable, and these are, yeah, these are, okay, buttons. Adorable, right? And it's stretchy, knit, comfy, cozy. Then we have the Hidden Logan high-rise dad jean. Those are really nice. Hidden is super soft. Oh, I see they do have distressing there and both knees. These are adorable. I know not everybody loves distressing. I don't mind it. I don't want it all over. I don't want shredded jeans, but I don't mind it in the knee at all. I actually like it. It means that I am not going into the office today. Oh, this was also on my wish list. This is by Dear John. I think this was. Is this on my wish list? It was by Dear John, and it is called the, let's see, Rosalia puffer vest in black. What? How cute is this? That is adorable, right? Oh, this is a really good box, right? Look how cute that is. I like this crop style. All right, I think I have one more item. Oh, this is adorable. This is the 4th wish list item. Yep. This is by Steve Madden. And let's see, what is it called? The Skylie jacket in black onyx. This is adorable. A varsity style jacket. But love this. See how long it is? Is that not adorable? So it's got like the vegan leather on the sleeve. I love it. I'm excited. Let's get to this try on. First up, all right. So I'm on the Z Supply tee and then the hidden denim, which you're going to see because it was my only bottom, so that'll be with every outfit. I'll start with them. They are so comfortable. A nice straight leg, like, oh, just yummy, good, comfy material. So you're going to feel amazing in these if you wear them all day in the car or for traveling. They just feel that good. This is my normal size 26. They fit perfectly. Actually, I'm lying. No, they are. They're 26. I'm right. I thought I saw a 25 there. 26. And they're a little bit long, as you can see here. So I might need a little bit of a heel, but not too bad. Adorable. And I love the wash. All right, and then the tee. This is the Z Supply tee with that little flutter sleeve. So it's basically a cute little tee with a twist. So adorable. Very soft, very comfy. Add a belt, add a jacket. You're set. Next outfit. So now I put on the Dear John sweater, which I am in love with, and the all-day jacket by Z Supply. How awesome is this? So I'm loving the color blocking. Adorable. I love the stretch and comfort that comes with this. It covers the tushy. Be great with everything from dresses to jeans to shorts to skirts. It's just adorable. Perfection. I love it. I have plenty of room. It is oversized. I have plenty of room to button it up should I want to. I'm wearing an extra small. And let me show you this sweater. This one is by Dear John. I love the vertical lines on this. It's soft, it's comfy. Feels amazing on. I just did a front tuck, but you could do a full tuck. There's plenty of room. And then we're going to try the remaining pieces with this. Let me give you the price for this sweater before I cover it up. It's called the Giovanna Lightweight Sweater in Ivory by Dear John. I'm wearing extra small, $80. So I'm going to throw the Dear John vest over top of it first. This little puffer is so adorable, has that stronger shoulder look. It's right at the waistband. This is so adorable. What do you think of that? It's a different look, I think. Here's what it looks like zipped. I have plenty of room. I want an extra small. And this one is called the Rosalia Puffer Vest in Black by Dear John. I requested it. It's an extra small and $89. And we're going to try on the very last jacket by Steve Madden. Final look. How awesome is this jacket? I love it. Okay, so it's got that fun little bomber style here at the top, and then it's longer like a car coat at the bottom. These are all snaps going up the front, which I love snaps because So much easier than a zipper or buttons in my opinion, so it's just my preference. So you can leave it open, you can close it, not tight around the tushy, which I love. I have plenty of room. I think this is adorable. All things yummy. It is lined, and it's a nice off-white color as you head into the fall. So, so cute. Looks great over top of the sweater, but you could do a color as well. For this one, it is called the Skylie jacket in black onyx. I did request it. It is 109. I'm wearing an extra small. I love this collection. For all 7 items, $650.50. If you keep 5 or more, 20% off, so 20% off everything, plus my $20 styling fee, brings it down to $500.40 for everything. Not bad, right? Not bad. I loved this collection. It was amazing. Let me know what your favorites were. Of course, I will list all the items that I received down below in case you would like to wish list any of them. And also let your stylist know if you'd like to have them put a specific item in your box. They really, really do try to accommodate. If you use my link and like to sign up for Wantable, you will get money towards your first box as well. Watch out for those fun themed edits. A lot of times they have free gifts in there, but they're a great way to get started if you're not sure what type of items to ask for. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I had a blast. I hope you did too. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on going, and I'll catch you next video. Bye, everybody.